Hello, welcome. Today we're looking at the Behringer U-Phoria UMC202 HD. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect guitar and mic through here, and then we're gonna connect it to your phone so you can record on your phone or you can live stream with your phone. Now, one of the main things that you're gonna need to do that with the Behringer is you're gonna need an adapter just like this. Okay, so this adapter is gonna allow you to connect the Behringer right here through USB, and then you'll be able to put it in through USB-C in order to give it power. Okay, so that's gonna be how we're gonna set that up. We're also gonna need guitar cable, obviously, XLR cable, microphone, and you're gonna need one of these cables too. This cable here is the one that connects to the Behringer. It's got this size of a connection into the USB, and you're going to need it because Behringer comes that type of connection, so that's what you're going to need. You're not going to need to turn on the 40 volt phantom power because you're going to be getting power directly to the connection here. You're also going to need a USB-C power connect to the adapter, and then finally to the phone. So let's set that up. Let's get going. Okay, one thing to note is once everything is connected, I haven't been able to figure out, but it's only coming out on this side for your microphone and then on this side for your guitar. So I haven't figured out how to make it stereo, but essentially this is how it's set up. You want to make sure that your line is pushed in, that's pushed in, the gain is somewhere around there or to your desire. And then the phones, you can connect microphones to be able to monitor what you're playing. So right now what I'm going to demonstrate for you is how that sounds. But this is essentially how you connect it all. And you can live stream or you can just record with this. So let's record some vocals and some guitar, and let's listen to that. Audio check, Behringer, microphone going through, audio check, and then playing the guitar. So this is how it sounds when you're playing the guitar and then you're talking. Audio check 1, 2. This is an audio recording for the Behringer, guitar and microphone. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Tapping on the mic now. Audio check and guitar. All right, so okay, so there it is. This is the actual audio that you're listening to going to the Behringer right now. Audio check 1, 2, 3. It's being recorded, going into the device, to the phone, recorded live. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.